This is Motorola Moto G32, and today I will show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first order of business is to download and install the free third-party app called Caffeine, so let me quickly do that. Then launch it, make sure that the timeout section is set at the infinite value, and as long as the Caffeine app remains active in the background, so make sure not to close it or turn the application off, your screen will not automatically go to sleep. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.